Imagine you're scrolling your feed, right? And you stop on this viral product video. Millions of views, perfect jump cuts, trending audio.
Yeah, it has that absolute magic of a massive hit.
Exactly. But what if no human ever touched a camera or wrote a script or, even opened editing software to make it?
It sounds impossible, but that is the new reality of high-volume e-commerce.
It really is. Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, and I am here with our resident expert to look at exactly how this works.
Hey everyone, glad to be here.
So, as always, we are pulling up the latest on the AIagentstore.ai website. And today we are zeroing in on a tool called CreatOK.
Right, and for anyone selling online right now, understanding this closed source freemium tool is just crucial. We're basically looking at a system built to turn static product images into high-performing video content at a massive scale.
Okay, let's unpack this, because honestly, when I first looked at the page, my brain immediately went to those clunky automated slideshows we've all seen.
Oh yeah, the terrible PowerPoint style ones.
Right, so if it's just stitching images into templates, how is it actually creating something dynamic enough to hold someone's attention?
Well, what's fascinating here is where that jump from basic automation to actual intelligence happens. It doesn't just blindly slot your pictures into a rigid timeline.
Wait, so it actually looks at what you upload?
Exactly. It uses intelligent image recognition to analyze your product first. So if you upload a picture of, say, a rugged camping tent, the system mathematically registers those visual traits.
Okay.
And then it automatically routes it to a high-energy, fast-paced template. But if it's like a luxury face cream, it selects a much smoother, slower-paced visual framework.
Wow, okay, that makes a lot more sense. It's making actual stylistic choices based on the product's visual data.
Yes, and it handles everything behind the scenes without you having to guide it.
Right, the page mentions this system-level model selection thing. Does that just mean it's picking the best AI for the job?
Exactly that. Normally, if you are generating AI content, you have to guess which model is better for your specific image type. CreatOK acts like a master switchboard.
So you don't have to choose at all?
Right. It takes your prompt, optimizes it for high-definition video, and automatically routes it to the correct underlying AI brain. You get the high-end output without manually tweaking any technical parameters yourself.
Which brings us to the craziest feature on this page, honestly. The viral cloning.
Oh yeah, this is wild.
It says it extracts the creative logic of existing viral videos. But wait, how does it clone the logic without just copying the video exactly?
Think of it less like a photocopier and more like an architectural blueprint.
Okay, a blueprint.
Yeah, when we say it clones the creative logic, it mathematically breaks down the original viral hit. It strips away the visual house, like the original people and products, and just keeps the underlying floor plan.
So it's looking at the structure.
Exactly. It registers the exact pacing of the jump cuts, the frequency of text overlays, and exactly where the audio waveform peaks. Then it builds your static product images directly onto that exact rhythmic foundation.
That is just wild.
Right.
It takes the invisible skeleton of a viral hit and wraps your product around it.
Right. And if we connect this to the bigger picture for you listening, if you are a creator or a media buyer, you already know your biggest enemy is time.
Oh, 100%.
You can't A/B test 50 different video styles if it takes a human editor a week to put them together. This completely shifts the bottleneck.
So producing and testing massive volumes of content is suddenly instant.
Exactly. You stop being a video editor tweaking timelines and you become a high-level strategist who's just feeding the machine different product variables.
But so what does this all mean? That leaves us with a really fascinating question. If these AI tools can perfectly clone the structural floor plan of viral videos at scale without any human filming, what happens to organic creativity?
It creates a closed loop, honestly.
Right. Because if everyone uses this, the platform's algorithm is essentially going to be fed an endless loop of its own copied structural trends.
Yeah, when the algorithm is just rewarding the mathematical ghosts of past viral hits, the definition of what makes something creative completely changes.
A pretty wild thought to leave you with today. To see this tool in action for yourself, just follow the link at AIagentstore.ai. Thank you for rating the podcast, and we will catch you next time.